Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Embassies don't welcome expats whose remittance rescue Pakistan, says PM. Prime Minister Imran Khan said to all Pakistani diplomatic staff deputed globally to deliberate over issues faced by the diaspora and expatriates, particularly at the hands of embassies. AJK government notifies complete lockdown following NCOC directives. The Azad and Jammu Kashmir government has issued a notification regarding the imposition of complete lockdown from May 8 to 16 due to the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. COVID-19 Punjab decided to impose complete lockdown from May 8. The Punjab government has decided to impose a complete lockdown from May 8 to restrict public movement due to the consistent rise in novel coronavirus cases. Shafqat Mahmood dispels rumors about cancellation of exams. Federal Minister for Education and Professional Training Shafqat Mahmood on Wednesday dispelled rumors that the examination for class 9th and 11th had been cancelled. No truth in rumors that exam will not be held, sheds Shafqat in a tweet. Two members of India's G7 delegation test positive for COVID-19. India's entire delegation to the Group of Seven summit in London is self-isolating after two of its members tested positive for COVID-19, the British government said on Wednesday. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.